Hey team, welcome to Secret Policies. Secret policies are developed to enforce some security policies across either a single secret or a secret folder. We can apply these policies and make sure that an entire folder follows the policy that we've set. Whether this is permissions about RDP to stop your clipboard, or it's a remote password changing permission that we want to put across a whole bunch of secrets. If we want to ensure that a site that's assigned to a distributed engine is assigned to specific secrets using a policy, we can define all of these things in a policy. In the lab, we're going to create a dummy secret policy and play around with some of the settings. And in the video, we're going to visit around about all of the topics where possible. I'll try to go through every specific detail so you understand. This will relate to both secret templates and the anatomy of a secret, so I hope it's all starting to come together for you. Thanks.